Hello students, welcome to Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Gadawara. This is your digital class, class 12th, subject biology, chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance. Students, today we will study about the genetic code. What is genetic code? You know that DNA contains some nitrogenous bases. There is a sequence of nitrogenous bases in DNA. These nitrogenous bases, they are coded some information for making messenger RNA, that is for transcription. Okay. So these informations are coded in these nitrogenous bases, and these sequences of nitrogenous base or nucleotide in the DNA is called as genetic code. Means what? Genetic code, it is a set of rules that relate the base triplet sequence of DNA to the corresponding codons of RNA and the amino acid they specify. So students, these genetic codes, they have some information for transcription, and they are coded for some specific type of amino acids. Okay, so you know that in our body there are 20 types of amino acids are present, and these 20 amino acids are coded by the sequences of nucleotides. You know that there are 4 types of nitrogenous bases in our body. These nitrogenous bases are what? Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. And if we are talking about the RNA, there is the uracil in place of thymine. So 4 types of nitrogenous base forms 4 types of nucleotides. So these 4 types of nucleotides are coded amino acids, are coded some information. Okay, so there are following types of codes, genetic code, that is singlet code, doublet code and triplet code. Singlet code means which is the genetic code which is formed by only one nucleotide is called as singlet code, and you know that there are 4 types of nucleotide, that is A, G, C, T or A, G, U, T, U, C. So there are only 4 type of singlet code can be formed, but they gives no information and they are not coded any type of amino acids. They cannot code any type of amino acids because amino acids are formed by the 3 pair of or triplets of the nucleotides. So it is not possible, so it is cancelled. Then doublet code. Doublet code means that codes which are formed by 2 nucleotides, paired nucleotides. Okay, like AA, AG, okay, UU. So, but they also not form the amino acids, so they are also not of any importance. Then the most important is the triplet code. Triplet codes means the genetic codes which are formed by 3 pair of nucleotides, means 3 nucleotides से मिलकर बनता है एक genetic code. Look here, that is UUU, that is uracil, UUU, they form the triplet, and this triplet is triplet code which coded the amino acid phenylalanine. Okay, so another is UUC, they also code phenylalanine. UUA, leucine, UUG, leucine. So these are what? Triplet codes, and they are called as genetic code because they coded the informations for transcription as well as for amino acids. Triplet codes are 4 types and 4 into 4 into 4 they form the 64 codons, and that is sufficient for 20 types of amino acids, for coding 20 types of amino acids. Therefore it is very important and it is applicable all over the world universally. So this is triplet code. Now we are talking about that these are the codes, but there are 2 types of code also, that is initiating code or terminating codes. किसी भी डीएनए में और जब ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस होता है तब जो इनिशिएटिंग कोडोन होता है जो कि स्टार्ट करता है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को या कोडिंग को, तो वो इनिशिएटिंग कोडोन कहलाता है. एंड दे आर व्हाट? Initiating codons are, that is AUG, methionine को कोड करता है. methionine amino acid, that is the initiating code. And terminating codon, that cannot code any type of amino acids, they are called as terminating codon. And the UAA, ocre, that is the terminating codon. So this is genetic code. Now what are the properties of genetic code? genetic codes क्या होते हैं, उनकी क्या properties हैं? तो 64 types of codons हैं, but their properties are what? First, triplet code means कोई भी genetic code तब कहलाएगा जब वो triplet form में होगा. Like here AUG, UUU, they are in the triplet and they code for a particular type of amino acid, phenylalanine and methionine respectively. Comma-less, genetic codes are comma-less. There is not any type of comma. Like here, if in a messenger, in a DNA, if there is a what sequences are present, A, U, G, U, 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 C, A, G. So there is no any type of comma. comma नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. तो they are comma-less, continuous होते हैं इनकी sequencing. Then non-overlapping, there should not be any type of overlapping between genetic codons. Means if this is a genetic code for which code for methionine, so we cannot read this in this way, GUU. AUG के बाद हम GUU नहीं पढ़ेंगे कि ये एक हो गया फिर ये एक हो जाए, ऐसा नहीं होगा. There should be AUG and UUU. ये एक है और ये एक है. No overlapping. Overlapping नहीं होगी रीडिंग में, सीक्वेंसेस में. Then universality means each code or genetic code is universal. That code for any amino acid, if like AUG is code for methionine, so in every animal, in every living organism, AUG if present, it is coding only for methionine all over the organism. So this is universality, यानी कि सभी में वो जो कोड है AUG वो सभी एनिमल्स में एक ही टाइप का अमीनो एसिड को कोड करता है. Ambiguity means genetic codes are what they are ambiguous. Each codon generally क्या होता है कि each codes that codes for one amino acid only. Hence it was considered to be unambiguous. But now it has been observed that sometimes one codon codes for more than one amino acid. जैसे in streptomycin, for example, in a streptomycin, there the strain, sensitive strain of E. coli, Escherichia coli bacteria. That codon UUU codes for what? That codes for phenylalanine. But upon treating ribosome with streptomycin, if ribosome के साथ streptomycin को treat किया जाता है तो क्या होता है? The same codon UUU codes for leucine, isoleucine, serine amino acids. So this is ambiguous, ambiguity present. मतलब एक जो कोड है वो more than one amino acid को कोड कर सकता है. Okay. That generally it is unambiguous, but there is now ambiguity is present. Then degeneracy means what? Each amino acid is coded by more than one code, that is degeneracy. मतलब एक अमीनो एसिड जैसे हमें मालूम है कि मिथ्योनिन is coded by AUG, but there is another codon which can be form methionine. Okay. That is excepting for two amino acids, methionine and tryptophan. There methionine is not like all other amino acids. We can say that leucine can be formed by CUU and CUC. ल्यूसिन अमीनो एसिड की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो इट इज़ कोडेड बाय CUU एंड CUC. यानी एक से ज़्यादा कोडोन एक अमीनो एसिड को कोड कर सकते हैं. अमीनो एसिड्स कैन बी कोडेड बाय मोर देन वन कोडोन. सो दिस इज डीजेनरेसी एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट प्रिवेंट्स म्यूटेशन इन आवर बॉडी. Then initiation and termination codon, I am telling you about it already, that most of the cistron codon AUG initiates the synthesis of polypeptide molecule, so it is called as initiating codon. And another is what? UAG or UAA. They do not code for any amino acid, therefore they are called as termination codon. So this is about the genetic code. I hope you can understand it. Okay. What is genetic codes? Genetic codes are the three pair of or sequences of what? Nucleotides, which codes for transcription or for amino acids. Okay, and they are present in what? In DNA. Okay, thank you.